If y'all haven't watched the other video, which you most likely haven't, we got a 2004 350Z. Said it had only 60,000 miles on it. Pretty low for a 2004 anything, you know. But the engine, what was wrong with it? It had a blown head gasket. Just one or two?
It was just one side.
Yeah, so just one. Was the head warped at all? Or?
I think it was in one portion of it, but they ended up decking it.
Yeah, so what he ended up doing, because it did come with a Greddy twin turbo kit on there. So he said, why not just, you know, just fully build it. So he's got fully forged internals. The block is still the same, but they are good to withstand up to 700 horses. And yeah, so right now we're in the process of just putting in the pistons. Mainly he's doing it. I mean, he knows more than me on this. He's done it before. I'm just watching and providing y'all with footage. So yeah, I mean, it's not going too shabby. We've already put 4 in. Yeah, so we got to go through, check the tolerances, and then torque them down. And then from there, put on the heads, you think?
I have to make sure that I have to get this little friggin'
Oh yeah, clean all that, okay.
thread chaser and make sure all the threads are good, and then once I do that, yeah, put bolts in and put her on. Back with the Camaro video.
Oh,
so long ago.
Yeah, all my OG yeah, because that was a while ago.
Yeah, it was.
I don't even know how many subscribers I had with that video. But if y'all seen the video of me and him, or me and a Camaro racing.
Yeah, that was me.
Yeah, that was his old Camaro.
I'm a long way from there, I guess.
Even in that video, like I said right before we raced, like I know what the outcome's gonna be.
Yeah.
I'm gonna lose bad, and then someone
expecting as bad as it was.
Yeah, that's true. But even someone commented, they're like, "What do you expect? All you got is a truck." I'm like, that's exactly what I expected. I don't know. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. No, but yeah, he went to the dark side, going to the imports.
Yeah, pretty much.
No, I'm just kidding.
Away from V8s now in V6. Forced induction. Talking about that, the freaking the turbo, the rebuild actually wasn't that hard because like there's so many videos of how to do it. And
yeah, what did you replace? Just the,
I replaced all the bearings in it, all of the O-rings and different seals. I didn't replace the shaft itself because it was still in good condition. Because I don't think that turbo kit's been on there that long.
Yeah, was it the seals out? Because when we were pulling the engine, I saw that one leaking.
Yeah, there was like 2 main oil seals on each side of the one for the compressor and one for the exhaust. And when I took it out, there was just black friggin' carbon, like
oh shit, that's not good.
Oil residue all
I know in a diesel engine, if that oil, that would have caused a runaway. I don't know, like could there be a runaway in a gas engine? From a leaky turbo? I don't know. I'm sure someone's gonna comment down below.
Yeah. Got the Wysico pistons, the Eagle rods.
Eagle rod, the bald eagles. Yeah. Making them panda bears. What do you think you'll get it running?
Hopefully, like I'm gonna be using most of the parts that I had when it came off. Everything that's working, obviously. Yeah. Because I'm gonna need larger injectors. They're 600 cc's, but I think that's good for around 500. But that would be like maxing them out. So. Yeah. But just to get it running, I'm just gonna use those, and I plan on getting, it's called a Kinetics intake. intake manifold. It's like it's $800.
Oh shit.
It's supposed to be really freaking good.
Help with the airflow.
Yeah, exactly. We keep the stock transmission. See how long that lasts.
I mean, you already got that carbon fiber.
Yeah.
Or the composite drive shaft
right there.
It's already got dual 3-inch exhaust coming off each turbo. Don't have to worry about that. No cats. So hopefully when you get this thing tuned, hopefully you see some flames. I mean, that'd be dope.
Sure it will, because it has the Haltech ECU. You can do like a anti-lag. You can do a few steps. So.
Yeah. Are you still gonna do the big old slicks in the back, or?
I think that'd be once I actually get into the power, and I'm sure that I got 295s in the back, but they're just regular summer compound tires, so they're not going to be able to withstand. So I'm sure I will eventually.
Are you gonna go with skinnies?
I don't know about that.
I'm gonna see if you could beat the GTR or what.
Yeah, that's the goal. That's the main goal, really.
I don't know
for a fact that from like a dig, there's no way I'm gonna be able to beat them.
No way.
How fast that thing shifts and with the launch control. Yeah, 4-wheel drive, obviously.
But
from like a roll from like 40 or 50, I just want to be able to freight train them, which would be awesome.
But yeah, they got a GTR in the family. I'll do a little clip of the tail end of it. Actually, I filmed it earlier a little bit, but
2015 GTR Track Edition. It has the intakes on it. Has big old exhaust. I don't think it's decatted. It's just from catback. And
y'all did do a catback?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And then it's cob tuned. Man, that's about it, really.
So what do you think? It's about 600 at the crank?
Yeah,
or
the crank, I would say.
Yeah.
But if I'm making 6 at the wheels plus a much lighter,
yeah,
then there's a chance I'd be able to get them.
So yeah, that'll be dope, especially filming that shit.
Yeah.
I need to get the drone out.
That'd be sick.
The GTR is pretty cool. I rode in it before, like literally a few days after they got it.
Yeah.
And it was pretty quick. I mean, I rode in a Z06, so it's pretty similar as far as acceleration. I mean, you probably can't tell the difference between half a second or something like that. Or are they? Is it the same? 0 to 60 almost? Because I rode in an auto Z06, and I think it was 2.95.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm sure the auto is faster.
Is it GTR? Is it 2.8?
I think so. Okay. With the launch control.
Yeah. Yeah, no, it was pretty quick, but it didn't have an exhaust on it, so it just...
Pretty quiet, sounded like a vacuum.
Yeah, kind of sounded like a vacuum. The transmission was the loudest thing on it,
exactly.
which I had no idea. The transmission in GTRs was so dang loud with the straight cut gears.
I'm thinking about going and taking it in, just getting it like checked out, because it sounds like it's it's some horrible thing. Yeah, it runs and shifts like a friggin', I don't know, crazy. It shifts so fast, like literally like right when you press the button, it's next gear.
That's crazy.
That's another thing I'm gonna have to friggin' try to beat them on, is look at the man's mission. So
is it a 5 or 6 speed?
it's a 6-speed.
Okay. So yeah, that'll be interesting. We could race my truck with this thing, but give me a 100-yard head start, and I think that'll be good. No, just kidding.
Disable like 2 cylinders.
No, this thing's gonna be a troll though.
Yeah.
Cause I mean, around here, I mean, we got
Pretty fast cars.
there are some fast cars,
you don't
but
see them often.
yeah, they're pretty much underground here in Corpus. You see most of them. We got a little car meet Saturdays, like downtown, and that's where they do all the street racing and stuff. Other than that, I mean, you don't really see anything quick. So we just got done torquing down the rods to the crankshaft. Basically, I mean, we got all the pistons in fairly easy, except for the last 2. For some reason, they were just giving us a hard time. Yeah. Show you in a little how she turns. It's probably not the best way to
Turn it.
turn it, but I mean,
Just gonna send it.
it's working. There you go. Got a little 2-cylinder action going. Yeah, that's just good. Next, basically, is just got to clean out the threads for the
Head studs.
Yeah, for the head studs, and then put the heads on. Yeah, so I think this is pretty much going to be a stopping point for the video as well. I guess we got what we wanted done. You just put all the pistons in. Now it rotates, so we're good. Next thing is to clean out all of the threads for the head studs, just to make sure it gives the right torque reading and it doesn't mess up any of the threads as well with all the gunk in there. Clean up the heads, put them on there, and then from then on, just putting all the little stuff off.
Valve covers.
Yeah, timing chain, valve cover, water pump. I mean, it still has a ways to go, but
A lot closer now.
yeah, it's a lot closer. Hopefully it fires up and doesn't explode the first turn, first crank. But yeah, so it's going to be a stopping point in the video. Make sure you all subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to Moto Jared's channel as well. He only has one video up right now of the car, or is it 2 videos?
I think it's one.
Just one, and I keep on telling him to post more videos, but
so carried away with this.
yeah, just make sure y'all go follow, because I'm sure once he gets the car running, he'll probably make more videos too, just hooning around and stuff. So yeah, go give him a follow, like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on next video.